All right, I want you to find a solid place to stand on in the home. Okay, I'm going to have him stand here because we have marble right there. Go ahead, stand nice and straight. Okay, we want his feet perfectly straight, shoulders back and down, chest up, knees slightly bent. If you need balance, you can hold on to something with 2 fingers. Okay, that way you don't move around. If you don't need to balance with something, that's better, it's harder. But if you need to, you have no choice, 2 fingers is the max I'll let you. What I'm going to have him do is he's going to push with the ball of his foot, which is right here. You don't want to push with the outer part of the foot because it's not going to work the gastrocnemius, the calve, nice and effective. Okay, so go ahead, come up. I want you to go up as high as you can possibly go and get that squeeze in the calf muscle, and then come down right before it touches the floor. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. You want your hip, knee, ankle all lined up.